boy.
What are you going to sing for us?
I'm doing all of me, but in my own version.
Go ahead.
What would I do without your smart mouth? Drawing me in, you kicking me out. You've got my ears spinning, no kidding, I can't spin you down. What's going on in that beautiful mind? I'm on your magical mystery ride, and I'm so dizzy. You know what it means, but I'll be alright. My head's underwater, but I'm breathing fine. You're crazy and I'm out of my mind, cause all of me loves all of you. Baby, love your curves and all your edges, all your perfect imperfection. Give your all to me. I give my all to you. You're my end and my beginning. Even when I lose and win you play, I give you all of me. You give me all, love you.
You say, Mama, Jao, I give you. I lay down my friend, yes, meta. But unfortunately, see, I don't like when people destroy people's songs. You know what you've done to this song? Right? You've hacked it, yanked it, jammed it, rammed it, prammed it, Fujinized it, wakatized it,
John Wonder.
jujulized it,
Pasuma legend.
Pasuma legendized it, and at the end of the day,
Oshekini.
How you feel when you see this kind of people for audition? People like this, how you feel whenever they come for audition?
You don't see they are shocked. They shock for their face. Now they suit me
How
back.
you feel?
It got different category.
Yeah.
But for, like that boy case, Kunle, right? That boy was a wonderful. It's too sweet
talk
for
that
me.
one
It's
of that
sweet
your
for me to
English when you
hear-
talk for them.
It's sweet for me to hear that boy deliver that song in that way because the authenticity of the boy just show. Now African, now
go
that's
show
an
say na-
African child, the Yoruba boy.
And in influence
when
sweet,
put his
oh.
own Yoruba influence into a good song that is known by everybody.
Yes.
And you yourself know now that thing has gone viral
Yes,
because
it has.
it is unique. They tell everybody, the more African we become with things we do, I think the value will increase. And that's kudos to that boy. He's a very good singer. He's still in the competition.
And
he's in the top
voice.
12.
In the top 12?
He did for top 12 now. That boy has really top.
I mean, which other song when he don't sing?
He do another one again.
When come
Yeah,
improve like
it's
this?
Twist and Small. And Robin Stoddard song.
12.
Oh, Robin Student song.
He pieces the song.
Yeah?
Then he just, for the beginning, before he started, drop the Fuji
go talk to
Twigs. Then they inside, they act like say no one do it. They do the song straight.
Then he can't
So
change
that you
something.
don't say, insabi the thing.
Oh, shit.
Then somewhere towards the end, they just drop out.
Drop out
So that those kind they do as score when they sing. Because they know say they sabi sing.
Because we sabi sing, oh. We sabi sing. Yesterday for sure, we will rap.
I'm not going to argue.
Anyway, our phone numbers go there on top of TV. Make you begin call us in case you want to follow us Day Talk. Make you follow us talk. Make you know the questions where you get to ask and things where you get to say. Now, make I ask you quickly. How you take day apart from what always being on NCA, don't they on top of NCA, you the act, of course you be renowned thespian. How you take they involved with reality? Because you don't take for idols. How you take it they involved with reality TV show?
Okay, na Elvina Ibru, Gloria Ibru, and Obukome Ibru now go commend for that. You know, they were the first to get the franchise to handle Idols West Africa, which was scuttled after the first run. Now they come with me say they know say I go handle this thing perfectly for them. So they wish make I can do them. And many people they call many people for auditioning for the role. You know, and Later on, they call me.
Okay.
So yeah, because from their scores and from their layout and from the overview, Nami fit the role for them. Pass, you know. So I was elated to do it. I'm happy. I take them for my sisters and I do them. And after that, they start Nigerian Idols. Other people been there. But I think from what they said last year when they came back to me, they say they do Vox Populi. They can't ask people, say, who they want to see
again
as a judge on Nigerian Idols. And people vote for me. So,
Okay, now because
So I
say
did that.
maybe you dey talk true, you dey very blunt. Or you dey talk
straightforward.
as e be.
so now for your own, as Katim talk now, say maybe not because say you dey blunt. Now for I go see you like the like of Simon Cowell. Because Simon Cowell, he only the young man how he be. If you abuse your power, abuse your life.
No, but you know, say as they take start to talk to that bad boy thing, say you don't come out the competition. No. He say you don't murder the song, you have hacked it, packed it, pram it, and ram it. You know, so then later in the end, you can't see as he dance. He can't be like DJ ECB, they dance, go down, come up, dance, go down.
Now,
I got the golden ticket.
we know say you dey play saxophone.
Yes.
Which other instrument you dey play?
Drums, keyboard a little.
No conga.
No violin.
This our own. Because we don't keep am for ground for you.
Keep on, I'll carry and go.
Then we
That means I'll
play-
carry and go.
Now, you get wetin
You don't they play for church since.
me? Don't dey.
Now
I don't
church
dey.
rhythms be that.
Now you know this praise and worship.
Eh-heh.
You get skills where you get when say people don't know about. Plenty like cooking. You get things when say you sabi where people don't know say you sabi.
If you not be wish, I wonder what thing you be. But make I tell you true, my brother. You the one guess, I've been a person tell you.
No, I just guess am. I just guess am now.
one no be guess.
I get am.
It's because you be heavy winch be that.
Flesh and blood did not reveal that
Me
to
are
me.
the toast bad when it comes to kitchen matters.
Hey.
I love to
Okay,
cook.
that's why
I
those
learned that. I
27
learned from my
girls sit
mother. I learned from my mother, and I learned from my papa.
You get sisters.
Wait, sorry.
Plenty.
More take this call from Meduguri. Aisha.
That's why.
Hello, Aisha. Hello. Aisha.
Aisha, ya tefi.
Écoutez-moi. Hello, Aisha. To call us back.
Aisha, écoutez-moi.
So continue, sir.
Yeah, I've been learning from my mom a lot, and I learned from my father also.
Okay, so two of them been cookies.
No, well, one time like that, my papa matter different. Now one time when my papa come from out like this, the wives they never cook for afternoon. You know, the two wives, because my papa get many different wives. Okay. So the two wives now, they kitty with themselves, so that everybody pose. Nobody want to kitchen go cook for the other ones. This one don't want to make him cook, make the other one children chop the other one. So we were our man, they look at everybody. But when my papa come, food not their house. He just came in. You know, they're not expecting to come at that time in the afternoon. So when they land, no grubs, he just laugh.
With that strict kind of laugh.
Oh, my papa, no, forget it. My father was.
They could only shake that time.
Of course, now. They know him now. And instantly the man just say, okay, make every woman out of the kitchen. Out! Because when they see her, they begin to rush. Out! Bring that one. I bring her. Bring this one. I bring her. This is how to do it. Scale the fish. Open the fish. I bring that.
Daddy, you cook you now.
Everything, set everything. The goosey will set everything. They carry the oil first, blanch ham, do everything, put the tomato, put the onions inside, set everything. They can start the soup.
Hey!
Can they look soup? They go.
And they come, they sweat.
They sweet.
From Kefi, good evening.
Good evening.
Edmond, how you doing?
I'm good, I'm good.
You want to follow Dede talk?
Hello?
Hello, would they hear you?
Okay. Please, at this one, how everything is now?
Ngwana.
You want to defend me?
Hello?
You see,
It's a really nice program. I want people to thumbs up.
yeah, thank you, Edmond. But I beg, no vex. The while I they get now say we they always tell you before na call, make una reduce na TV volume before na call us. But anyway, we'll cut you. May you call us back. You not vex. Now, my producer say make I ask you this question. I don't know because you see, say I talk about say those two girls with a rape somebody. Say say Ingo
Did
like.
you just ask the question
Wait,
straight now?
no. It says I mentioned Keselo. Saying go like him. Now, he say make I ask you. say which type of woman you dey like. You like Mercy Johnson or you like Genevieve Kaim? You know Genevieve Kaim, na we know that one na self-contained. Then the one of Mercy Johnson, that one duplex. Then the kind of Omotola, that one Mercy Johnson na a bungalow. Then Omotola na duplex.
How come Mercy Johnson?
Swanky Fanilo mansion.
How come Mercy Johnson? Lord have mercy. How can Mercy Johnson be bungalow?
So for you, Mercy Johnson na duplex.
No, you know, let's be realistic with ourselves. Me, I know my interest in the only other person apart from me in this world, that's the woman, it's not according to structure or size first. Yeah, beauty means anything to everybody at every given time. But that woman must get
sense.
Small sense. The woman must be somebody I can relate with. Somebody when not go come public, come disgrace your generation.
Why? But you're not supposed to fear now.
No, not be fear. Because one thing you must know, be say, for people like us, we don't pass level of those when not get offspring. I don't get children. They get grandchildren. And now I go come one put disgrace on top of their head. No, I go clear their path. Make it say they not drop load for their shoulder.
Exactly.
So for me, the kind of woman where I like, now woman when get quality, when respect herself, when respect man.
Florence, good evening.
Hey,
my sister in the Lord, how is you?
why I just leave you for 9 days now?
I beg, call us back. Thank you. Call us back, no vex. Now, and Fola from Jos, good evening.
Off your TV.
Yes, good evening. How are you doing?
Afternoon, evening, morning, I'm fed all and all. Well done.
I like it this night, though.
Eh?
You like Guinea?
Guinea,
can
like that dress in this night now.
Hey. Guinea, what do you talk?
Saying like cartoon dress in this night.
I feel like a dress.
Okay, you like Katim dress.
Nothing.
My brother.
I think say another thing you dey like.
All of us here one thing, you talk another.
Breast. I
Yeah.
think another thing you
I
talk.
feel like a dress.
Dress.
A dress.
Now,
Oh, her dressing.
oh.
Okay.
I want some people to
Oh yeah, now talk to they hear you.
I beg you, you do your place for that place. Sometimes the commission will change their mind. They won't forget they want things. They won't forget that. The one I'm doing is go. Then go for everything one thing.
And not true. I agree.
So why they do answer them? Why they do face like that?
You see, my face that the same way they for anything.
Lie.
Not be you say, if you stand in front of me, it means that you ready yourself now. You won't shoot at me be that. Me when they receive, I'm going to prepare for you. You understand?
Okay. Hello. Okay, from me now. Good evening.
Good evening.
John. Brother John.
John.
There, John. Hi. What did they do the... Your TV, they're too loud. I beg, before now call us, more than reducing the volume of our TV. Now, quickly, you got a question why we want to ask you where I forget. Now, you don't start music work a long time when the likes of people, when they say no music, well, they music. That time, to me, that time, that music be music for Nigeria. Now, what you go compare music of then? How you go take compare them to music of now? And what you go advise for those when they say, want enter music or those when they there already? When they go take get them right?
Right. Some years back, one crusade when I've been carried out with many of the young boys, then who are now the young men now. They say, make they start to infuse a lot of Africanness in what they do. Because I see them that time say, a lot of them just want to concentrate on Wana Ghana, Guinea. But you not go blame them. They say, now the thing when you feed your Peking, now your Peking go exhibit.
Exactly.
You know? All the things that they see for television, now Wana Ghana, wish, you know. So they will Wana Ghana and they will yo.
They will yo.
So the best way to make them understand otherwise is to try to help. To make them see, say, in this Wana Ghana and yo in the yo, make them infuse a lot of the Africanness so that it becomes essential that they are relating with their people. And slowly they go begin to gain the mileage when we require. And in truth, those ones who have been listened, apply them, and the way that they apply them nowadays, they work for a lot of them.
Okay.
Added to that, would they tell them, say, come, Mona, relax now. start to learn instruments. There is a dearth of musicianship in Nigeria. Dearth, D-E-A-R-T-H.
Yeah, RT, yeah.
We have know the English.
You know, no, those for those people,
that,
that D-E-A-T-H
yeah,
on top of.
yeah, we know that,
R-T-H. You know, it bad. Say in those days, every nook and cranny where you go find children when they play guitar, when they play piano. People they're interested in wanting to learn instruments. But you see, I will throw this one for the leg of those people when they for government first. Our schools in those days, would they study music? Now, teacher not there for basic courses, talk less of music. Civic been day, we not get them. Children don't even know our history. They don't. Most of the children nowadays don't know anything about their culture. Talk less of music. But yeah, you see, the main thing when they go on now, they say boys just go studio,
just voice anything,
loop a few beats together, and then auto tune and come out at the other side. It's a hit.
Joseph, good evening.
Hello.
Joseph, sorry, I beg, so don't keep you on the line. Tete, good evening.
Good evening.
You did best?
I beg, not vex. You want to talk to Dede? Make we know the question you want to ask.
I use me online since you are using me talking.
Not vex now, not devil walk. Hello, Joseph. Not vex now, not vex. I see, I don't need down. Now devil walk. Sorry. Them up, you know, Joe. Hello. He don't vex. But I beg, not vex, Joseph from Abiokute. Not vex, not vex. Aisha, good evening. Our last call, I beg, no more calls, we'll not get time. Aisha. Aisha, I beg, bye. We don't talk busy, we don't talk on another here. Now, quick, as in before, we can more for inside studio. What do you hope to see for our music industry in a few years to come?
Certain things they when the present day generation get to realize.
Yes.
Fine. There is awareness now, there's attention. Fine, you seemingly look like you're earning a lot. But let me tell you something, you're shortchanging yourselves quickly. Those of us who ain't there in this field for truth, go fit tell you the truth as truth needs to be told. This industry can be better packaged. One thing when they seriously, sincerely missing is the management sector. Artist management in Nigeria is sickening. It is below par. And so the artists do not even know what they're required to do or what is expected of them in the right direction. Next, entertainment law in Nigeria is below par. So ultimately, the things when they're supposed to educate the artist about, they're ill aware of. They just think, say, now, only make, they just sing, go one show, go the next show,
collect one or two money, buy motor.
No, there's so much you can make by getting properly organized. The government should be ashamed that they don't realize that in America, one of the mainstay of the economy and the arts.
Exactly.
And the only reason is because it is properly packaged, properly put together. You have management units that have structured in such a way that anything when they come up from one sector, the other sector they know, and it is recorded, it's calibrated. So that piracy not go come in for any format whatsoever. You know, that now one unit, the government is supposed to know so they're going to make a lot of money. A lot more money from the artists if they are properly structured. They need to put empowering things in place to assist. And they see what the MCSM and those people they do when they do themselves anyhow, just they laugh. Because in truth, the Nigerian artist is supposed to be benefiting a whole lot more. Musicians, when they don't release a long time ago, when their songs that they use them for radio, they use them for TV, they use them for Tombo Bar, use them for airport, use them for public transport, use them for airplane. Nobody gains anything. These things have to be changed. And at the end of the day, it will improve. And then most importantly, I think the young ones should realize that they have attention now. Please, do us a lot of favor. Add content.
Okay.
Values need to be brought to the foreground.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Dede Mabiaku, for coming into the studio. And if you don't follow on top Twitter, we get Twitter handle, Facebook, all those things.
None of the twill.
Anyway, double toilet to everybody. We don't call us for fun for today. I beg, no vex if you don't take your call. On top Twitter, thank you very much. No vex if you don't read your tweet messages. Time not even there enough. Now, I be say Dede Mabiaku guys come back again because geez, plenty. Question plenty we will never even ask on top the matter. Anyway, double toilet till tomorrow. Thank you for everybody who sit down and watch night show today. Good night.